157 River Pointe Drive. This craftsman home is over 3,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths and a powder room. This home also has a secluded master suite upstairs right next to its very own theater. Check out this home and make sure you get a good look at those kitchen cabinets. So what did you guys think about those kitchen cabinets? Those cabinets were handmade by the owner that built this house. This home is true craftsman style, from the outside when you approach the home all the way through. If you guys would like to know more about this home, or for me to actually bring you here and give you a tour of this home, give me a call at 256-302-7923. Check out my Facebook, Brian Banks Sells Homes. I'd be happy to show you this home, and I'd be happy to sell your home.